My name is Jane and I'm the Intacct Manager over at CompuData. Today I'm going to be going over how to import budgets. So to start, let's come out and take a look at Company Setup Import Data, where we can find the budget import template here at Budgets. So the blank template is going to look like this. We'll just download from here. So we've got a blank template asking us for our budget ID, our accounts, our dimensions, and our budgetable periods. If we take a look at a version of this template that I completed, we'll see that I populated it with our account number, our dimensions, and then here, if we expand these columns, we're going to see amounts entered for each budgetable period in 2024. We'll also see the budget ID. So if we come out to our budget repository here in the budgets menu, we're going to see all of our budget IDs. We're uploading this budget to this specific operating budget. So we can import that here. I'll go ahead and click import. I'll choose my budget file here and I'll click import. The other spot that I can import budgets is in Company Setup Import Data, where I pulled the original template from right here. Once my budget is imported, I'm going to receive a success email saying that it was imported, and I'm also going to be able to run reporting that shows that budget. One example is my general ledger budget report, where I can pull in my budget details for my start period, January 24, with my end period, December. If I click view here, I can now see all these budgetable periods, and I can now pull this budget into any financial report using the column tab of the financial report writer.